Begin by finding a position that allows you to be both relaxed and present. Adjust your shoulders, rest your hands on your thighs, and when you feel the time is right, allow your eyelids to close softly, closing the windows to the outside world to open them toward your inner self. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel how the air fills not only your lungs, but expands your abdomen, creating space in your chest. Release it very slowly through your mouth, as if you were blowing through a straw, releasing with that breath any weight, any hurry, or any thought that you no longer need to carry. Feel the weight of your body now. Notice the contact of your skin with your clothes, the support of your feet on the ground. Imagine invisible roots growing from the base of your spine, anchoring you to the earth. Giving you an immovable stability. You are here, you are safe, and in this moment, there is nothing else to do, nowhere else to go. Just exist. Now visualize a faint warm light, like the first ray of morning sun, beginning to rest upon the crown of your head. Feel its warmth. This light has the power to soften everything it touches. As it moves down your forehead, it erases the lines of worry. As it passes through your eyes, it relaxes them deeply into their sockets. Feel your jaw loosen, letting your tongue rest freely. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Feel how the air fills not only your lungs, but expands your abdomen, creating space in your chest. That warmth now descends through your neck and your shoulders like a balm that dissolves knots of tension. Feel your arms grow heavy, surrendering to gravity, all the way to the tips of your fingers. Your breathing now is like the rhythm of the sea, soft, rhythmic, natural. Inhaling calm, exhaling stillness. Imagine you are in an inner garden, a place of absolute peace where time stands still. The air here is pure and fresh, scented with the aroma of damp earth and wildflowers. Listen to the whisper of leaves moved by a light breeze. In this garden, your mind is like a clear sky. If a thought appears, it is merely a white cloud passing in the distance. Do not cling to it. Just watch it pass and return to the sensation of the sun on your skin. Stay in this silence for a moment, inhabiting your own body, enjoying the company of your own being. Feel the gratitude of being alive, of breathing, of being. Take a moment of prolonged silence here. Very slowly, begin to return. Start to notice the sounds of the room around you once more. Feel the brush of your fingers against each other. Begin to awaken your body with small, gentle movements, as if you were waking from a restorative sleep. Carry this sense of sanctuary and peace with you. Remember that this place is always available within you, just one breath away. When you are ready, at your own pace, open your eyes and return to the present, feeling renewed, present, and at peace.